Hello everybody, welcome to another railroad video. Today we're doing another unboxing. This is a package that I ordered off eBay. It's an eBay lot. I know what it is, but you do not, so anyway, we're going to this time I got my tripod and okay. What a strange, okay, kind of weird, an odd way of boxing things. Okay. All right. So let's see. Okay, so it's a box inside a box. Set that aside. Interesting. Box inside a box. The seller was really optimistic about boy. This is a stubborn one, isn't it? Let's see, how do we want to... I don't want to damage anything inside either, so... Let's cut it on this corner here. There we go. Alright, so in a box with a bunch of different items inside. What's this? Alright, first things first. There we are, first car. I'm just going to take these off to the side here. They're all going to be freight cars. The second one. Oh, that's a nice one too. Maintenance away. Another flat car. This maintenance and waste. This is a well, this whole lot's going to be there. That looks nice. That was one of the cars I was more interested in right here. Try not to cut the cars either. We got a Santa Fe. I don't know if that's an older paint scheme or a newer one. One of the trucks broke. That's unfortunate. Well, the wheels are there, so I have replacement trucks. Another maintenance away. This is an older one. Set these guys up here. Fortunate for that car got damaged. Although one truck isn't really a big deal. I almost got the car. Another box car. This is a scrap load, Ontario Northern. may sound a little off today with my voice. I'm just a bit tired. Oh. That's a, I'm not sure. I can't really read. 70 ton, I believe. Not sure what the make of it is. Burlington Northern, I know what the name of it is. Hopper. There's a cylinder hopper. It's a nice one. It's an older model. I'm not sure the make. And here's a I'm not sure what that one is. Neat. Okay. That's going to fall on the floor and break. Alright. Here's another one of the cars I was interested in. Another maintenance away car. Coupler came off. Is that supposed to be wire or cable? Not sure. Interesting to load. Now there's a few more cars. Great Northern. Looks like an older scheme. It's another hopper. Pillsbury. And another hopper. Lehigh Valley. That's a nice one. Yeah, I'm not sure what the maker these are, but I'm pretty sure they're older models. Probably 90s, I would assume, or older. I don't really know 100%. And the last bunch. Here we are. Here's the other maintenance car that I was interested in. Oh, something else came off. Coupler to something. There's another car. I think there's some load in it. What one's this one? Oh, Burlington Northern. It's a, I guess those doors are glued open. Double bay, door bay, or whatever they're called, I can't remember. And the last little bit, it's another hopper with a load. Your Northern Sioux Line boxcar, and Hillsborough Coffee. Huh, that's a nice one. There you go, folks. That's a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, anyway, have a Merry Christmas. Be well, folks.